Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to do a little video because I haven't seen much data on the rims and tire swappage. This is a 2011 Cadillac Escalade, ESV, all-wheel drive, and we're having problems with the rims and tires. The chrome is really dirty, sorry, but the chrome's flaking internally, and I had to silicone the beads, pop the beads, silicone them over the past 6 months to make it work. So putting new tires on is not an option because they'll just still leak and still have problems. And we had a little issue the other day where we keep hitting stuff in the road and causing flats, so we had the spare on there. But we're swapping it over finally. So I was a little hesitant. I know the bolt pattern's the same. The sizes are a little different. The original sizes are I even said it earlier today. It's a 285 45 22. So 285 45. And here are the new ones, which are a 275 50. So actually they're a little smaller footprint, but taller sidewall, which is perfect. But these are off a 22 Escalade. Hopefully with there's less than 50 miles on them. So we just went this route. Instead of buying tires, we'll buy rims and tires. And they're a little dirty. And we don't have the best light in here, but we're going to see how those look on the mocha color. So I'll get these put on. We'll see what the fitment looks like. So here's a prime example of the GM wheel that the chrome plating delaminates right there. And it's doing that inside on the lip and cracking. And I've heard they've even had this problem up to 2018-19. So that's why I chose those other wheels, which are, I think they're polished aluminum. Let me double check with the paint. Well, we can probably tell from the inside they're a little dirty, but let's see. Yeah, that is straight up aluminum. You can see it in there. I don't know, could have a coating on it, but we had to go new anyways, but hopefully these don't do that. All right, well, she's done. She looks good, better than I thought. These are missing the little Cadillac emblem in there because the guy got some 24s and used the original center cap, so I'll have to get those. But bad news is these are different frequency hertz. I guess the hertz are like 485 on the tire pressure sensors, so it will not learn. So I'll try the tire shop, see if they can do it with the tool. If not, I'll have to get tire pressure sensors, the 2011 model. But it hasn't done an error yet. It's still reading the old ones even after I drove it. So but we'll leave it at that. They fit good. They ride good. I got to get some new front MagneRide shocks because I found the one is absolutely shot. I already replaced the rears, but she looks pretty dang good. So I'm happy with it. I wanted to go with the chrome ones, but people were saying those were kind of flaking too. So I think this is all polished aluminum without any coating on it. So I think it looks dang good. So if you got a probably 2007 to, I guess, what was it, 14, that model, you can get the brand new ones and put them on. They fit, and I forgot to turn them left to right, but I don't think they rub. I'll check real quick. But that should be it. A little different video than the motorcycles and other, but you can subscribe and see all the other fun stuff I do. But looks like shocks, front shocks, Magnarite shocks. Yeah, I noticed the light's not working in the back, but we'll get it all dialed in. Thanks for watching.